Welcome to our channel. Renter's Insurance protects your belongings and provides liability coverage at an affordable price. Follow these step-by-step instructions to select a policy that fits your needs and budget. Step 1. Inventory your belongings by walking through your rental and documenting everything you own. Take photos or videos and estimate the total value of your possessions. Step 2. Determine how much personal property coverage you need by totaling the replacement cost of your belongings. Most renters need between $20,000 to $50,000 of coverage. Step 3. Choose between replacement cost and actual cash value coverage for your belongings. Replacement cost is more expensive but pays to replace items without deducting for depreciation. Step 4. Evaluate liability coverage limits, which protect you if someone is injured in your rental. Consider at least $100,000 or more if you have significant assets. Step 5. Check if you need additional coverage for high-value items like jewelry, electronics, or collectibles. As standard policies have limits for these items. Step 6. Compare deductibles and understand the trade-off. Higher deductibles mean lower premiums, but require more out-of-pocket expense when filing a claim. Step 7. Get quotes from at least 3 insurance companies and compare not just prices, but coverage details and customer service ratings. Ask about discounts for security systems or bundling. Step 8. Review what's not covered by standard renter's insurance. Floods and earthquakes typically require separate policies, and roommates need their own coverage as you can't share a policy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.